Usually I try to be up and out of bed by like 6:40, so I'm a little bit behind. I'm gonna start my day by working out, like I always do. Even though I don't even really like it. I present to you my breakfast. Oh my gosh, and the sun is illuminating it so beautifully. Usually I like to do 2 boiled eggs and a slice of toast. My choice of fruit. I'm doing cherry plums today because they are top 3 best fruits ever. And I am like 3 days away from my period and I was really craving chocolate, so a little protein waffle with some Nutella on it. I really try to lock in on the protein for breakfast because this is kind of what gives me the most brain juice throughout the day.
This means he's been disqualified. Different color? Yeah, we gotta get the next clip. I really wanted. Okay, let's.
I haven't been taking super great care of my skin, so I'm gonna use a little exfoliant first, post washing my face. Time to clock in. This is my Hobonichi Weeks, and it's what I use as my agenda. It has never failed me, and I'm currently like writing extra stuff down. I haven't been doing as great of a job at keeping up with it. I feel like before I used to write more in it. Lately I just haven't been as much. I think it's just the ADHD, the avoidance. I have a really bad habit of like, I feel like my brain gets like this really weird blockage on like one specific task or thing, and I just avoid it in totality. Like I will even get other tasks done that would be harder or take longer to avoid that task or that thing. So I've been avoiding my agenda lately. I'm trying not to do that because when I do, things don't go so great. But to be honest, I have a lot going on right now, which I'm really grateful for. But I have a lot of projects going on. I have a shop update that I have not scheduled. I've just been like putting it off. I have a market coming up. I have 2 more like passion project. I have 2 sort of more like passion project-y stuff going on. I'm not really making a ton of money directly out of it. Well, actually I have 3 of those going on. I have a t-shirt design, a print design, and then a sticker sheet to do like stuff like that within the next 2 to 3 weeks or so. So I think what I'm gonna end up having to do is schedule my shop update. Clemmy, sit down. Sit down, Clemmy, you're being distracted. I'm gonna have to schedule my shop update until after my market that's coming up. I have a market on July 12th. So I think the following Friday is when I'm gonna have that shop update because I just have too much due before that Friday that is like more urgent. And I also have not glazed my ceramics. I went and got them fired, but I have not glazed them because honestly, planning the glazing is the most like daunting part for me, and it is gonna be like a 2 to 3 day process of glazing. So I've just kind of like been putting that off. There's like more immediate tasks, but now scheduling out that shop update is gonna give me more time to do that. So today I just have to choose what I kind of want to focus on. I mean, honestly, the month is wrapping up. Probably have like some Patreon stuff to take care of. I need to figure out those rewards. Yeah, it's gonna be probably a heavy drawing day for me today. I have one meeting, luckily no more than one. Yeah, let's see where the day brings us. I just posted a little like creative update on my Patreon page. These always take me so much longer than I would think.
Page. But she has been in the program since 20. That could also be a great opportunity to let people know, hey, I'm in New York, I'm having this meetup, if you want to come. Alright, I see Steven in the chat with the question.
Alright, I had my meeting. I managed to film this TikTok in like 20 minutes before my meeting, and now I'm gonna export it to my iPad to add the sound and post it. I'm gonna post it on TikTok today, which is usually what I do. I'll post it on TikTok immediately, and then I will probably post it to Instagram tomorrow or Thursday. But I did it. I speed ran filming and editing this TikTok, and I'm really happy with it. And somehow it's almost 2. Can you believe it? This is the tough part of being self-employed or like working from home, stuff like that, doing creative stuff. I feel like I'm going as fast as I can, and yet everything takes me 5 million years. Like the Patreon post, that took me like a good 40 minutes because I was having to find the images and bring them over and type stuff out and reread things and blah blah blah. And then my meeting was 45 minutes, and then recording and editing the TikTok in total was probably like an hour and a half. And I did emails for like 30 minutes. So my day feels like it's slipping away from me, but right now is a good time to take a break. Normally I would have taken a break at like 12:30 or 1, but I need to force myself to take a break, take the dogs out. We can also go look at the chickens. I went ahead and started working from the couch in our game room because I start to get like really stuffy in my studio. I love my studio, but by the afternoon when the sun has kind of like repositioned and is not coming in through the window anymore, I get kind of like sick of being in there and working in there. So I will usually almost every day, like by 2 to 3 p.m. for those last hour or two of my workday, I will work from the couch just to kind of like, I don't know, reset my environment, re-energize myself, because honestly, after 2 p.m., it gets really hard for me to keep going. I guess it's like the after lunch slump, but I was working on this illustration that I'm collaborating with my very lovely friends based in Dallas, Besto Friendo, and we're doing like a little bit of a print series where we're kind of like drawing on each other's prints and stuff, and I had to make my own like print base that they could draw on. So this was mine, and we're kind of doing a little bit of a, I don't know what to call this, maybe like a brainscape or like a peek into a character's brain. And I had a lot of fun doing this. It felt like a really nice break from my typical work and work that is just for me. I feel like on repeat saying this, but I've just been craving so much making work that is for something more than just myself, and this definitely scratched the itch, and I was just like in such a good flow state when I was making this, and I love how it turned out. I've been really into fantasy stuff. This isn't even super fantasy, but I've been into drawing more goblin-y type of people and just more into that sort of like subject matter. I don't know why I was never really into it. Well, I do know why, because I've been playing Magic the Gathering now, but I was never really super into it before, but now I am, and this was really, really fun to draw. I loved adding in the little hair clips into her hair. I am officially at the end of my workday. I think it should be 4. Yeah, 3:47. End of my workday. I have to like list out the things that I did at the end of the day to feel actually accomplished. So I did a Patreon update post blog. I attended an onboarding meeting. I filmed and edited and posted a TikTok. I finished up my illustration for my collaboration print, my section of it, and then I have to do the parts that go on theirs, but I finished my base illustration, and I finished the day with brainstorming stuff for July's mail club, and I think this guy's gonna be... Like I was saying, I think this guy's gonna become the sticker, but I know I want to do a pigeon theme because I'm just really into drawing animals these days, and I love playing with the little funky shapes of pigeons. Your tools?
Yeah, gloves and for my knees.
I think, yeah. I have to show you guys this one. She's purple. She's starting to develop her feathers, and she's so purple. She's say goodnight to my phone. I leave my phone here every night. And I'm back in bed. This feels... Bless you. I wanted to say thank you for watching and good night. I can see you. Hello. It's the next day. I'm still working on my Australian accent. Nope. I fall into British. I'm really good at British accents. See, and now I'm nervous to do this in front of you guys. But I'm usually really good at British accents. Australian, I'm working on it. Thank you guys for making it to the end. Thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. I'm going through a little bit of a battle with YouTube AdSense right now. I haven't been able to monetize for a couple months, so I extra appreciate you being here, but also enjoy all my videos ad-free. And of course, I had to mention our sponsor before saying an official goodbye, which is Squarespace. If you don't know who Squarespace is, they're an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and they are the platform where I have always run my website. And on my website with Squarespace, I have my online art shop, I have my portfolio, I have my mail club, I have so many things that I'm able to do on Squarespace. I also started up doing a email newsletter this year, which I also do through Squarespace, which is awesome. So if you're interested in opening up a website with Squarespace, you can do that with the link down below, and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase. Also, with the link, you get a free trial, so check it out. And I will catch you guys in the next video.